doing today? I hope you're fine wherever you are. I was here having my sugar cane. It's 5:30 p.m. So welcome to today's video. Remember to subscribe, like, share, and I really appreciate a lot. So I want to cook supper with you guys today. I want to get inside my garden here, harvest some greens. Today we are going to have greens and rice because yesterday we had ugali and beef, so today we are having greens and rice. So welcome to today's video and feel much appreciated. So before I go to my garden, let me just finish this one and then we shall see. I'm here with Alvin. Olivia, she's inside the house. Alvin, say hello.
Hello.
Say hi, guys.
Hey guys.
How are you? You're fine. So guys, I have a very big tree here of terere. This is what we call terere, and my terere is very big. This one is very big. You can see for yourself, it's like a tree, and this is not the first time that I'm harvesting. I have harvested several times and it has really helped me. Nowadays I'm in love with this vegetable. I'm telling you guys, I'm in love with it. And look at this one, a very big one, huh? Terere with rice, huh? This vegetable with rice is so yummy here. Today I'm going to cook terere alone. I'm not going to mix with kales because I love it when it is like that way. So I will harvest a lot of it. I have a lot of it. Even at the backyard I have terere. We have a lot of it. It's almost 6 p.m. So for me, I do start preparing at around 5 or 5:30. My supper, that's when I start preparing. I love to cook early. I don't like cooking late. By 7 p.m. I'm done. I'm done with cooking. I love that. This vegetable, yes. Olivia, mkatie miwa. I was in Machakos this week. I was in Machakos, a place called Iveti, if you know that place. I went for the burial of my uncle there. It was on Tuesday last week. That's when we went there. So the place is so green, very green. We came with a lot of things. With sweet potatoes, arrowroots, sugar cane. We came with avocados, a lot of them. Yeah, so I felt in love with that place. Yeah, Iveti Hills. That's where we were. And I saw a place called Mitisaba. Do you know Mitisaba? That's where we were. Mitisaba, we call it in our local language Miti Monza. Miti Monza. That's where we went. Okay, so I have a lot of terere. A lot of it. Can you see, guys? This is our vegetables. All these are veggies. So I'm going to pick some here and then others at the garden and then cook.
Lighten up, take me on your magic river. Tell me all your dreams align. Sign me up and tell me about the people that you know who are trying to feel alive. Life can get hard, so honey, if you need to cry, just come share my pillow and rain, rain, go away. I wanna hear about everything you're ever thinking. You know that I can take the truth. And call me out if you think I'm ever slipping. Maybe I can turn it around. Oh yeah. Baby, if you want us, you know time is on our side. But things are gonna haunt us, we'll just have to put aside. And I'm right here if you just need to cry. Come love, share my pillow, and rain, rain, go away. Been some time since you fixed me. I'll never forget.
It's enough for us for today. So let me clean it very fast and then prepare my supper. All right. So these are my clean veggies. It's time for me to cut them to small pieces. I'm just going to sit here inside the house because outside it's a bit cold.